Hi everyone. Today we're delighted to introduce our UKhost4u Cloud Solutions platform. Once logged in, you'll have access to your own unique interface where you can manage all of your cloud applications and websites from a single place. Through this interface, you'll be able to create any environments you wish, import any existing developments, or access the marketplace to deploy pre-packaged applications. Here we can design environments of any complexity with a simple building blocks tool. We support a wide array of languages including Java, PHP, Ruby, .NET, Node.js and Python. So let's dig into what UKhost4u Cloud Solutions can do for you. To start creating our new environment, click New Environment on the interface. Here we're choosing a Java application server. So through the list you have a choice of Glassfish, Tomcat, Java Engine, and several others. Here we can set our resources like RAM, processor and storage size. One of the key features of UKhost4u's cloud platform is that you'll be able to configure dynamic scaling, so you can allocate a reserved amount of resources, define limits, and the platform will automatically scale the application's corresponding services up or down depending on resource levels. We can also configure horizontal scaling to handle traffic spikes. To do that, just click on the balancing button and Elastic will spin up an additional instance of Nginx web server. We want to place this on a separate physical host for high availability. It can be 3, 5, 6 nodes, etc. Thematic scaling based on different rules is also possible, and as you can see, the load balancer was told automatically. You can configure scaling parameters independently. Furthermore, you can create higher rates to achieve a better availability by avoiding single points of failure. In addition to this, you can choose from different load balancers like HA Proxy or Varnish. Now let's get on to databases. We support many different database platforms such as MySQL, PostgreSQL and MariaDB. We also support several NoSQL databases like MongoDB or Couchbase. In just a single click you can select the one you prefer and scale them all independently, horizontally and vertically. You can easily enable an SSL connection using the Jelastic Wildcard SSL certificate or a custom certificate if you want. If you need a VPS server, that's also easy to deploy. You can choose from a variety of operating systems like CentOS, Windows, Ubuntu and Debian. You can access these directly via SSH or RDP. Furthermore, you can create containers for custom Docker images or Docker Engine. Directly on your UKhost4u dashboard, you'll find several options for managing your environment and deployments. For example, here we have the File Manager where you can access any configuration files or storage volumes. We also provide a fully fledged log file manager so you can see exactly what's happening inside your environment. Here we can access our environment statistics to see detailed resource usage over a certain period of time. You can also be sent resource consumption alerts if you wish. The system grants automatic vertical scaling. For instance, it can scale out and add a new web server to a load balancer or reduce the cluster size if the load is less than the predefined level. Finally, with UKhost4u's cloud platform, you can automate the deployment of your applications by clicking on the deployment manager and clicking Upload. This will deploy it into any existing cloud environments, so if you're a developer, you can easily deploy through your GitHub account. Now let's get on to the billing. Our pay-per-use pricing method allows you to easily see the price you'll pay according to your usage. You'll see here exactly how much it will cost you on an hourly, daily or monthly basis. You'll also be able to get the details about our pricing policy and cost estimation. With our cloud solutions, you'll be able to easily install package solutions with UKhost4u's marketplace that you can find here. This marketplace serves pre-packaged applications, and here you can find many different content management systems such as WordPress and Drupal, as well as e-commerce platforms like Magento or PrestaShop. You'll also find many developer and admin tools. This lets you install any application or solution in just a single click. To try our cloud solutions for yourself, sign up to our 14-day free trial, which you can find in the video description.